Hey guys, Anthony here, also known as Max Insanity. New Funko Pop video, as you can tell. So I went back to the mall, not my town's mall because it's basically dead now, but the next state's mall. And yeah, I went back there because when I got the Rob Zombie Funko Pop, I wanted to get the Marilyn Manson one that was there already, but I only had enough money for one, so I was like, okay, maybe it's still there, who knows. I went back, it wasn't there, so I was like, okay, but I was allowed to get 2 Funko Pops, so like I had enough money for 2, but I was like, if I couldn't get the oh my god, I almost said Marilyn Monroe, wow, the Marilyn Manson Funko Pop, then I was just gonna say because it was going to be Marilyn Manson and Jeepers Creepers. But if I didn't have the Marilyn Manson, I was like, okay, never mind. But anyways, I found this one. And the reason why this is a special video, this is my very first Funko Pop that makes sounds. But anyways, you probably already know what it is now that I just said that, but it's Rick from Rick and Morty. He's on the toilet and stuff, and yeah, right here, the little sticker says with sound. Obviously, on the box, there's no like buttons or anything, but I really don't want to have to take this out just to hear the sound. I'll just like look it up, and because I know there's some collectors that actually take them out of the box, and you know, but me, I know that sounds very boring, but I don't want to ruin the value to it by taking it out of the box. So yeah, but anyways, this is the king of Rick and Morty. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Deuces.